Whilst the immediate and obvious results of reducing carbon dioxide via tree planting is typically a form of mitigation, this project was designed to address both adaptation and mitigation in the community, countering soil erosion, creating shade, habitat restoration, and increasing biodiversity all help to build resilience in natural ecosystems. And with changes to the new Welsh curriculum, schools and community groups are in search of opportunities for outdoor learning. Coastal communities growing together created a web app to raise awareness of climate change, help communities map nature-based climate action, and the community response dashboard, which deepens their understanding of the climate and biodiversity benefits of their involvement.
So the structure of this web app includes a series of steps, and one of the main one is a geo-survey where the eligible participants could register and reserve their trees, and we also asked them to record the location of these new trees in an interactive map. Another innovative tool is the Community Response Dashboard, which provides an interactive map that highlights the spatial distribution of these new trees, thus making the participants feel part of a larger community activity tackling climate change. But it's also monitor the initiative in terms of school and community groups involved, tree planted, and assess the carbon sequestration and biodiversity benefits resulting from this activity. So this tool translates scientific value to everyday action. We have, for example, calculated the total amount of CO2 that this tree will absorb in 10 years and translated in a number of days of social media use.
Over 1,900 native trees were planted by over 900 participants, so we had a really great uptake.
In terms of transposing these to everyday life activity, this amount corresponds to 14 flights between Cardiff and Cork airports. But even more interesting is it corresponds to 20 million days of Instagram use. So the numbers converted in these everyday activities are kind of quite impressive.
Participating communities increase their knowledge of native species, understanding the role of trees in local carbon sequestration, and were inspired to continue to tackle climate change in their daily lives. Between them, these sources identified the benefits of the species, the habitats they create and the wildlife they support, and the varying ways in which planting trees on a local level can help communities connect with and build a deeper understanding of nature-based solutions within their own power.